to our dear teachers, friends, parents, and our dear graduates, good morning. It is with great honor and privilege to introduce our guest speaker for today's graduation day. Our guest speaker, Dr. Marichu Cabrera Sakay, is a daughter of Mr. Ricardo Cabrera and Mrs. Primitiva Cabrera. She was born on September 12, 1981. She grew up in San Isidro Muñoz, Nueva Ecija, and currently resides in the Leognini, Barangay Bantuc, San Isidro Muñoz. She is married to Mr. Joseph Guzman Sakay, a businessman and blessed with a very handsome child, Daniel Cabrera Sakay. Dr. Sakay completed her elementary education here at her beloved alma mater, Muñoz Central School, and her secondary education at Muñoz National High School. After completing her primary education, she pursued a degree in Bachelor of Science in Physical Therapy in the years 1998 to 2003 at Good Samaritan Colleges. She also took up another degree at Wesleyan University Philippines in Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija in the years 2003 to 2006 on Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Following her bachelor's degree, Dr. Sakay decided to take postgraduate studies. She graduated with a degree in Master of Arts in Nursing with research and thesis writing in the years 2011 to 2013, and a Doctor of Philosophy, major in Educational Management in the years 2013 to 2015 at St. Jude Colleges in Don Comunes, Corner de Salam Street, Sampalo, Manila, Philippines. Her pursuit of professional development led her to earn 2 licenses, one from the Philippines for the Professional Regulation Commission or PRC as registered nurse in our local nursing board examination, and a registered nurse in the United States of America from the NCLX or National Council Licensure Examination in the years 2006 and 2007 respectively. With years of intensive labor and dedication, Dr. Sakay garnered various experiences in the field of nursing and academia.